Hello there, my friend, and welcome. Can you believe that it's been close to 90 days since you set those New Year's resolutions? Did you take pen and paper and write down exactly how much money you wanted to earn and the goals that you wanted to achieve in your business, the ranks that you wanted to hit, and all that good stuff? If you did, you're on the right track, right? Because you have to put it on paper. Now, second question I have for you is, how are you getting on with those goals? Are you on track to achieving those goals? Do you have a daily mode of operation? Do you have an action plan? Do you have the little things that you do every day that are leading you closer and closer to achieving your goals? Well, if you do, then I'm sure you're on track. But if you're not on track, then you're in the right place at the right time. Because if your results, the goals that you set are here, right, but you're nowhere close to actually achieving those results, it means that you lack the skills to achieving those goals, and you lack the mindset to achieving the goals. Because if you had the skill set and the mindset, you would definitely have achieved, you'll be on track to achieving your goals. But fear no more, because you're in the right place at the right time. In a minute, I will be handing over to my leader and our team leader, our sponsor, who's going to break down a 90-day challenge and explain to you exactly how this challenge is going to work. That's going to help you do the daily action plans that you need to do in order for you to achieve your 2024 goals. Because guess what? The next, just like the past, the gone, the 90 days since 1st of January are gone. We can never get them back, right? The same thing's going to happen to the next 90 days between now and end of June. They're going to go by like that in a flash. And the difference between where you're going to be end of June in 90 days and the difference between there and now in regards to your goals and dreams is the little things that you do every day that are going to bring you closer and closer to achieving your goals. So what you want to do is you want to pay attention to what our leader is going to share with you, because no more trying to figure it out by yourself, no more banging your head against the wall, because we have an exciting and irresistible offer for you where we actually take you by the hand and walk you step by step to help you work on your skill set, right? Bring your skill sets from here to there, work on your mindset, bring them up, and your results will always be above your skill set and your mindset, right? So if your results are here and that means these are your results, that means your skill sets are there and your mindset is there. So if you up your skill sets and you up your mindset, your results will go up as well. So 2024 is a year where you should commit to actually learning, right? You should commit. I wrote it down here. You should commit to watching, right? Watching what our leaders are teaching us, learning, right? Taking notes, paying attention, but finally doing, okay? Nothing happens until we take action. So Daniel, go ahead and take it away. Thank you.
Do you want to finally break free? Do you want to have consistent residual daily income coming in? Do you want to make a real full-time income from home? You have to ask yourself that, and you have to be committed to doing whatever it takes to get there, because if you want those things, this is exactly how you're going to do it. Welcome, my friend. DK here. In this video training series, this is the 90-day action plan to help you finally break away from your past and do those daily income producing activities that can change your future and give you life-altering income, my friend. You're going to work right alongside me and many other people. We're going to be bringing in guest speakers, and we're going to be working with you each and every single day and showing you step by step everything that you need to be doing to generate real leads and sales each and every day in your business and to grow a team and massive amounts of residual income. And I know those are bold statements, my friend, but we're going to back them up during this process. Either right on this video or link in the description down below is the webinar registration link. You can use that and get registered for these daily webinars every single day at 10 a.m. for the next 90 days. I'm going to be going live, and I'm going to be bringing you with me and showing you every single thing that I'm doing. You can work right alongside me, record the same content that I do, and use it for yourself. And we're going to literally give you everything that you need to be doing each and every day. We're going to hold your hand and walk you through this process one day at a time. So even if you're brand new, even if you've never done this sort of thing before, or especially even if you have tried and failed, this is your opportunity right now to break free from the status quo and finally get those results that you are after and you know you deserve. This right here is our massive action checklist. We're going to be doing this each and every day, and have no fear, we're going to be breaking each one of these down daily as we go live. Now, this might look really simple. This might look really easy. And you know what? It is easy if you're doing it every single day, but this is going to require work, effort, fear, doubt, all of those things that you have going through your head right now. We're going to squash all of those for you and with you to help you get through this and figure this stuff out. I'm putting this together for you, the people that want it. If you're thinking about it, if you're considering it, if you just want to dip your toes in the water, this is not for you, my friend. This is for the serious, the people that want to get off their ass and go generate real results online and create real sustainable residual income that comes in each and every day. This is exactly how you're going to do it. And again, we're going to work alongside you day by day, step by step. You're going to be in a Zoom meeting with me each and every single day. And I'm also going to be bringing in other successful leaders from across the niche, and they're going to be demonstrating things that they're doing that are working right now. And you get to literally clone and copy exactly what they're doing. So if you want to get registered for this and you want to take part in this, again, this is for serious students only. You're going to be working with me in my business, and we're going to be doing this each and every day. But this is how the money is made, my friend. These are the action steps that I have been taking every single day for the past several years that has allowed me to work right here from my home each and every single day. And now I am passing that. I'm giving that to you to help you get to that point in your life where you finally find success. So all those activities that you see on your screen right now, we're going to be doing those each and every single day. And each particular day, I'm going to dive into each one of those and show you day by day, step by step, exactly what it looks like. And you can clone and copy and mirror exactly what I'm doing and use it for your own content. I'm literally giving it to you. I'm handing it to you on a silver platter or on an app on your phone. And it's going to show you and teach you every single day exactly what to do. Plain and simple. This is what you do. You watch, learn, and do. So what I want you to do right now, if you're serious about this, I want you to comment that down below. Watch, learn, do. And if you can do that each and every day, you can break free from those results that you've had in the past. If you've struggled and failed before, if you just couldn't generate leads before, we're going to walk you through exactly what to do. And I'm going to hold you accountable to doing these things each and every day. And like I said before, this is not for the weak at heart. This is not for the people that just want to dabble, that want to dip their toes in. If you're not serious about this, just move on to the next video. Go watch videos about unicorns and kittens and don't bother registering. This is only for people that want to participate and join us live each and every day. And I get you might not be able to make it because we're going to be doing this at 10 a.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday. And if you can't make it live, I understand that people have jobs and people can work. Maybe you can still tune in somehow, or you can always watch the replay, because right here on my channel, I'm going to be posting our replays each and every single day. So if you can't watch live, you can always follow along, and please very much participate in exactly what we're doing. And that, my friend, is how you get the results, by watching, learning, and doing. So even if you can't catch us live, you can certainly follow the replay and still apply what we're teaching, because we're going to be holding you accountable and asking you live, what have you done today? We're going to be having you drop comments and let us know what you have and have not done. And we're going to hold you accountable to this checklist that you see right here on your screen. Just like I'm holding myself accountable to you, I'm going to make sure that I'm doing these things each and every single day because I'm showing you what is possible when you apply these very basic strategies. And again, as I mentioned before, if you don't know how to do this stuff, it's no worries for you, my friend. We're going to walk you through it step by step, exactly what to do and what it looks like for you on your end and how you can apply everything that we're teaching you how to do. So go ahead, go to the registration link down below, get registered, or you can simply go to mydailyhangout.com and get yourself registered. We're going to be doing this for the next 90 days, my friend. This is a 90-day game plan, a 90-day launch, a 90-day transformation for you to help you get those results that you want. This is the game plan, my friend, and you have 100% complete trust in me that I'm going to be working with you side by side, and I'm also going to be holding you accountable, and I might occasionally be giving you some tough love. But you have to understand, I've been doing this for years. I know what I'm doing, and if you want those results, then step into your future right now, my friend. Get yourself registered and show up. This is going to dramatically help a few select people who step forward and actually do this for the full 90 days. And the reason why I say select few is I'm just going to be real with you. A lot of people, a lot of you guys watching this video right now are going to say, yeah, you want to do it, but you're just not going to make it through the whole 90 days. At some point, life is going to get in the way. You're going to come up with an excuse as to why you can't do this, because at the end of the day, my friend, if you really want to do something, you'll find a way. If you don't, you'll create an excuse. And if you start creating excuses as to why you can't do this, it just means you simply don't want it bad enough. And that's okay. Maybe you're not ready. Maybe you're not ready to step into your future self. Maybe you're not ready for the levels of income that could be coming your way. Maybe you're just not ready for those levels of success, and that's okay. But if you are serious, my friend, get yourself registered. Go to mydailyhangout.com and get yourself registered now. We're going to be starting at the time of this video. It is a Monday. We're going to be starting this Wednesday and rolling this out. So between now and then, I'm going to be getting lots of people registered, and we're going to be doing this each and every single day, Monday through Friday at 10 a.m. And again, if you can't make it on live, who knows, maybe you can chime in here and there, but it's important that you watch the replays that are going to be posted right here on this channel in this playlist that you are watching right now. And the playlist link will also be linked in the description down below. So if you can't make it live or you only make it to part of the live, you can always go back and rewatch at any time. And if you have any questions, you can drop those questions down below. But plain and simple, my friend, I have been able to create amazing amounts of income over the years, again, working right here from my home. And if I can do it, trust me, you can do it too. It's time that you believe in yourself. Get yourself registered down below and commit to a 90-day life-altering action plan that can help you reach those income levels that you know you want and deserve, but you have to be committed. Again, remember, only a select few people will make it all the way through the process. And that is just the law of numbers, my friend. Remember, I'm going to be working right alongside you. I'm going to be there live to answer your questions, to help you out, to give you the content. We're going to bring on guests, other leaders, other people that are demonstrating this exact 90-day game plan. We're going to be giving you all of the content, all of the material, whether it's a Facebook post, a TikTok video, it doesn't matter. We're going to be giving it to you and showing you exactly how you could be working with us and doing exactly what we're doing to generate leads and sales every single day. And we're also going to be putting all of this content, all of this material in a folder and giving it to you so you have access to it at any time. This is it, my friend. This is your opportunity right now. How bad do you want it? Are you willing to put in the work, the effort, the sweat, maybe even tears? Are you willing to do it each and every single day to break out of your past and step into an amazing future going forward? I want to work with you, but you got to want it yourself. Go ahead, get yourself registered down below. If you have any questions, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe while you're here. It really does help the channel out quite a bit. I look forward to working with you each and every single day, my friend. So go ahead, get yourself registered, my friend, and I will see you in our first meeting. See you there.